welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. This video is going to be a continuation of a video that I did a couple days ago. So if you notice that I'm wearing the same thing, it's because I filmed all of these videos in the same day. So my name is Crystal if you are brand new, and I am a full-time reseller, and I just sell shoes and clothes and literally anything that will make me money on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And that's what I do on this channel. I do reseller content, so different thrift with me's, even though I'm not going to thrift store right now, so those are few and far between. But I also have what sold videos, I have tips and trick videos, I have unboxings like the video that you're going to see today. And if you're interested in any of that, consider hitting the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. It does help the channel out a ton. And if you like this video or any of the other videos that you've seen, make sure that you give it a thumbs up on your way out. Welcome. I don't know what day this is because I don't know what day it's going out, but 6, 7, 8, 10. It is Vlogmas. There will be a video out every single day from now until Christmas at 7 p.m. Central Time. So if you're interested in that, then make sure that you go back and watch the previous videos, especially for this video. This is a continuation video, so at least go watch part 1. This is going to be a Goodwill blue box unboxing. So I ordered 2 Goodwill blue boxes from bluebox.com, I think. I don't know. I will try and find the website and link it in my description if you're interested in purchasing a box yourself. I have no affiliation link with them, so it's literally just me putting the link in there so that you guys have the information. I don't get an affiliate cut out of it, unfortunately, but I did get this information from somebody on YouTube. No, Instagram, my goodness. And so that's where I got the information from, so I figured I would pass it on. I'm doing an unboxing, so that's what this is. And if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the second half of that video, and we're gonna get right into it because I don't know how many items are actually in this, and I'm trying to be respectful of your time and mine, honestly. So we did take out 10 pieces from this box already, if you watched that video, the first unboxing. So we're just gonna continue going, and there should be another 10 to 14 pieces in here because the boxes did say that they were going to be anywhere from 10 to 12 items, and since we unboxed 10 the previous video and they put it all in one box, if there were 12, then there should be 14 in here. So minimum 10, maximum 14. So we'll see what we get. Just a little precursor, the last box was pretty good. Well, the last unboxing. And so I am hopeful. This is good. I would pick this up. This is just Loft, which is a bread and butter brand for me. Not everybody likes it, but I do. This is an animal print. It's a cheetah, which is very on trend right now. So I don't think that this will have a problem selling at all. It is also size medium. So a lot of times when I pick up Loft, it's like an extra small or small petite. And I think that that has a lot harder time selling than just a regular size. Okay, this is new with tag. We got a lot of new with tag stuff. This looks like a bathing suit. Saucicon? It does not have an MSRP on it, so I'm not sure what it retailed for. But you know me, I love my bathing suits, and we're selling bathing suits still in. We were selling them at the end of November. This is just a tankini, like a little blue racerback tankini. Brand new. This will sell. I don't know for how much, but bathing suits do well for me. Okay. This looks like I hit a summer box. Alright, I'm not super excited about this. This is a New Day, which is just Target, but it is, I mean, they're at least on style, so that's good. They're paper bag waist, just a gray short. So it's not the season for shorts, but it will be soon, right? So $15 on this maybe. Size medium. Next, this is Nayama N-I-Y-A-M-A medium. Literally never heard of it. This feels like garbage. These are very like, it's a workout legging, but the material just feels very like, I don't know if you've ever been in the Goodwill or any other thrift store and you see the leggings that look like jeans, but they're not like good quality jeggings. They're just like painted on jeans that like, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but I feel like every thrifter does. That's what these feel like. So I think that's a dud. I could be wrong. I'll look them up, but I'm probably not. But that's okay because we've had a lot of good stuff in here. This is American Eagle Outfitters. This is cute. It's just a blue and white polka dot dress, long sleeve. If you don't know, American Eagle, somewhere, usually on like where the fabric tag is, will tell you what year it was put out. So this is from 2016, so it is a little bit older. But honestly, this is adorable. So hopefully this does well. I'm running out of room. Next, I like the pattern on this. Again, I wonder if these are just all Ross pulls because this is the third or fourth Ross tag I pulled out. This is an MSRP of $40. This is Bobo, which I thought was a Nordstrom brand, but maybe I'm wrong. It doesn't sell great for me, but it does sell eventually. These are, looks like just lounge pants, like big, wide leg. This is called the chevron print. If you don't know, they're like little arrows and stuff. So, elastic waist, size medium. Are they linen? No. Polyester. It says line dry. I thought it said linen. I was very excited. Those will sell. This is a blazer of some sort. BCBG Paris. Okay. Looks like a zip up, like a purple tweed. I would pick this up if I was at the bins. So a lot of the stuff I wouldn't pick up on the regular Goodwill, but I would pick it up at the bin. So the zipper works. I always make sure that the zippers work because I actually, in one of the B&G boxes that I got, I didn't check the zippers and I sent out a bunch of stuff and I got 3 or 4 complaints saying that the zippers didn't work. So now I always check zippers, especially when I'm getting a box from somewhere else. This is fun. Definitely. Is this cottagecore? I don't know what cottagecore is anymore. This is Gap, brand new tags. I'm like really impressed with the quality of this stuff, like that it's brand new and not like trashed. I don't really understand what cottagecore is, so I can't say for sure, but if I had to guess, I think that this would probably be that. This is a like maxi dress. It is button down. Floral. Has these ties. This is cute. I like Gap. Gap sells well for me. I know that is not everybody's thing, but again, sells well for me. And you have to remember what I'm paying for this stuff, right? So this is J. Crew. Again, not something that I pick up a ton of, but people have luck with it. This is a sheer, is it black or blue? Black. Long sleeve. It's not J. Crew Factory, which is good. It means it's regular J. Crew. I think J. Crew also has the year somewhere on it. Let me see if I can find it. It's 100% model. I don't really understand what that is, but it does have a style number, so I'll just look the style number up. But this is just a very basic long sleeve. Quite a bit of stuff in here. This is another American Eagle Outfitter. These look like Beetlejuice pants to me. They've got the paper bag waist. This is very in right now. At least among my friends it is. I don't really do fashion, so I don't know what's in, but it has pockets, which is good. And they're gray and white stripes, but they do give me Beetlejuice vibes for sure. Anybody else watch Beetlejuice? Or is it just me? I wonder. So I know that these pants do well if they're linen. These will do okay because they're American Eagle. I can't find, oh, here it is. Sorry guys, I'm just looking. Okay, these are from 2018, so a little bit newer for sure. And they're not linen, they're viscose, so bummer. That's okay though, these will still sell. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more things. Okay, I'm pulling this out because I don't know what it is. Is this? This is Simply Southern, and it's brand new. Okay, I'm excited about this. Guys, alright, as my dogs are literally curled up right next to me, I'm so excited about this. This is I just want to hang with my dog. How adorable is this? This will sell in no time. This is brand new with the tags too, so it's called Preppy My Dog Flamingo. What a weird name, but it's 100% cotton. This is exciting. I'm excited. This is probably the most exciting thing. This is not going to sell for a ton. It just makes me happy. Okay, next. Got another 2 things after this, and then we're done. This is just a tank top, which, again, not the season for that. This is Loft, again, which is a bread and butter for me, like I've said. Got a little shimmery, probably like $10 on this. Loft does not sell for a ton, $10 to $15. It's got the elastic waist. I'm saving it for last. So this, another Gap. This is brand new with tags as well. The MSRP on this is $16.99. This is just a plain Gap purple V-neck. Nope, sorry, it's not a V-neck. Just a crew neck with a pocket. But still brand new. And this is the last thing. This is W5. I don't know where that's sold. I think it might be sold at Ross. So again, just a regular yellow, like bobbly, I don't know what it's like textured. And it's got an exposed zipper on the back. This is also a size medium. And it's got an interesting hem. Can you see that? Like frayed? Not frayed. What, tassel-y? I don't know. I hope you don't come here for keywords because I'm not your girl. Okay, so that is everything, I think. So we've got 1, we're gonna count, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25. So they said, I'm going to tell you again if you did not already watch the first video, that these boxes were supposed to be 10 to 12 items a piece. So I should. Okay, so sorry about the voiceover. My video cut out. But basically, I ended up getting an extra item in this box. I was super happy with the quality. I would recommend this box. I would buy it again. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Bye.